Guys, I hope you all are fine. You all are welcome to see Swiml website review. In this video, you all will get to know that whether the website is legit or it is a scam. Guys, this is not our website, so the review is totally unbiased. So let's have the quick review of this homepage. So guys, this is their homepage and these all are their product. So let's check it out their one product, guys. Okay guys, so basically this is 15 feet into 48-inch easy set pool set which costs $93.59. Also they have applied one video for this product. You all can check it out. Okay guys, let's check it out the menu section. So there are so many categories as above ground pools, easy set, metal frame, prism frame and ultra frame. Okay guys, let's check it out their shipping information. So this is their shipping information page, guys, and they have described here their shipping information. But guys, as you all can see that the information is very less. Let's check it out their privacy policy. Okay guys, so this is their privacy policy page, and in this page they have described all their privacy possibility for their website, like personal data they collect, what kind of personal data they collect and how they use of it, and so on. Guys, do share your comment in the comment box below. Okay guys, let's check it out their condition of use page. So this is their terms and condition page, guys, and they have described all their terms and condition for their website, as you all can see that. Let's check it out their contact us page, guys. So for the contact, they have provided their address, phone number, fax number, address and their email ID. Also, if you have any query, so you can fill your name, email address, message you want to ask and send it to them. Okay guys, also here is an option for create account. So if you have account for this website, so you can easily log in by using your username and password, and if you don't have your account for this website, so you will have to create it. Also guys, there is an option for customer care. So let's check it out their return and refund policy. So guys, this is their return and refund policy page, and they have described all their refund and return policy for their website. Okay guys, in the last they have mentioned that Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest button, but guys, these all are button are fake. If you click on the Facebook button, so you will directly go to the someone profile page named has been. It means that there is no page of their website on Facebook. So this is very bad sign for the website, and this happened with all the button like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and so on. Okay guys, let's go to the home page. So according to me, this website is possibly scam as there are very bad reviews on Google. Also there is 1% trust rating which is very bad. This website is also not working properly, like Facebook button are fake. So as per my concern, replacing and purchasing order from this website is not relevant. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you want to escape from the scam website, so subscribe to this channel. Do share your comment in the comment box below. Share your experience with this website. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.